Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to continue our lecture from the last videos or last class. In last class, we discussed up to the oscillatory motion. Now I am going to discuss about vibratory motion, and we continue our test of motion from vibratory onward. What is vibratory motion? In case of vibratory motion, first read the book definition. It says that a kind of oscillatory motion in which the moving object undergoes change in shape or size. Vibrating, nowadays this type of motion are very common. Suppose we are playing some guitar, so we struck the string of the guitar. What happens? That string start to vibrate, start to produce some motion. Actually, that vibration is likewise. Suppose this is a string. Now, when we struck it, what happens? First, it goes this side, then downside, then again go upside, downside, likewise. In this movement, what happens? All the particles not possess the equal amount of energy. At the mid, they have maximum. At the inner, both the end, we have the no energy or no movement. So this type of motion is known as the vibratory motion. For example, when we play drum, the bigger drum, when we hit the drum at the middle part vibrate more than the outer part. This is the example of vibratory motion. When we breathe, what happens? First we inhale, then we exhale. In this case, what happens? Our chest first expand, then contract. The motion is vibratory in nature as all the points on the chest do not move out equally. Suppose we are to this part move more as compared to other part. So this is the type of vibratory motion. One part so more motion than the other part. This is the vibratory motion. Then next one is your periodic motion. If body crosses a fixed point at a regular interval of time, this type of motion is known as a periodic motion. Periodic repeats at a fixed interval. In case of periodic motion, particle repeats at a fixed interval of time. Suppose there is a earth. As you know that moon is revolving around the earth from this place. Suppose it's moving from this direction to not this, moving from this to this. Suppose, then what happens? After some time, means after 28 whole something near about 29-30 days, it again comes back to its initial position. This is a complete revolution of sun. Complete revolution of moon. This type of motion is known as a periodic motion. Now our next point is non-periodic motion. After periodic, we have non-periodic. Just opposite to periodic. This repeats at a fixed interval of time. not repeat. Simply not repeat. Not repeat. And a fixed interval of time. It never repeat. So these are the types of motion. Once again, I am revising what I left. First is your translatory, means the complete particles of the body move equal distance. In translatory, we have two: rectilinear and curvilinear. Curvilinear. Then we have, after translatory, we have oscillatory, then after oscillatory we have vibratory, periodic, non-periodic. One more is left, that is your curvilinear, circulatory or rotatory. Circulatory. So we discussed all these types of motion: translatory, oscillatory, circulatory, vibratory, periodic and non-periodic motion. Now we are moved to the next part of the motion. Now last three motions, random, uniform and non-uniform, they are most interesting. That's why I love the previous writing work and focused on this one. Random motion. In this case, the moving body doesn't have any particular direction or does not change the direction at a regular interval. Suddenly, if that moving body change direction, for example, football, during the football match, we don't know which person shot which side. So we don't know the actual direction of football. Best example for random motion is your mosquito. You don't know from which side mosquito fly. Suppose it moves towards this one, suddenly it come back, suddenly go towards you, likewise. So this type of motion is random motion. No fixed direction or nothing is fixed. No fixed direction, time or speed, nothing is fixed in this case of random. All is sudden. So this type of motion is known as a random motion. Uniform motion, not from your school dress, school uniform. It's a uniform motion. In uniform motion, a body covers equal distance at equal interval of time. Best example, suppose at your car, you are moving with the help of car and you are at point A when time is 5 p.m. Your car starts running and after 30 minutes at 5:30 it reaches up to point B, which is at a distance of 10 kilometers. Then again it reaches up to point C at 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. Again it is a 10 kilometer distance. So this type of movement, your car starts from point A, travel 10 kilometers in 30 minutes and reaches to B. Again from B it starts at 5:30 and reaches up to C at 6 p.m. Means it covers equal distance at equal interval of time. This type of motion is known as a uniform motion. We never mention direction over here. Then non-uniform motion, just opposite to non-uniform. In case of just opposite to uniform, in the case we are running through a busy road. This is a highway then we are returning through a busy road. Suppose you start from this at 5 p.m. There is a heavy traffic, so you reach B at 6 p.m. Now thereafter you are in highway, you reach at C at 6 T equals reach at C within 6:30 half hour. Now from this you start from A, there is heavy traffic, from A to B you take 1 hour to reach. Then after B you have empty road, highway is there, so you speed up your car and reach from B to C within 30 minutes at 6:30. So this type of motion is known as a non-uniform motion. Now this is all for today. Next day we discuss speed, unit 2 speed and velocity. All of you must do objective questions of exercise 2.1. I am writing over here. Your homework is do objective questions of 2.1. Objective question means what? It's from A to E. A to E. You solve this question by yourself. I must provide you solution after your homework, but not today. So all of you solve this one by yourself.